Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Netflix account in iPhone. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open up your web browser. From here, tap on the search bar and search for netflix.com. And now, as you can see, we're in the official website of Netflix. So what you need to do is type in your email address right here. And after that, tap on Get Started. Now, on Finish setting up your account, tap on Next. On the next page, you need to add a new password for your account. So put in a password right here. After that, you can enable this option or skip it. Then tap on Next. Now, tap on Next again. Here, you need to choose your plan. So scroll through all the options available. As you can see, we have Basic, which is $3.99 a month, and then Mobile, which is $2.99 a month. After that, we've got Premium, which costs $9.99, and after that, we have Standard, which is $7.99. So these are some of the options that are available right now. So go to the option that you want to choose, and after that, scroll down and tap on Next. Now you need to choose your payment method. So tap on it and select the one that you want. I'll go with credit card or debit card. Now, all you need to do is put in your card information and then tap on I agree. And then just tap on Start Membership. So that is how to create Netflix account in iPhone.